Welcome to Day 16. Today is governance, access control, and operational guardrails for AI on AWS. The exam often describes an assistant, a model, or a knowledge source, then tests whether you can spot the right control. In this video, you will learn a simple decoder to pick the correct answer fast.
By the end, you can explain shared responsibility for AI solutions, recognize IAM and access control stems, recognize encryption stems for data protection, recognize logging and monitoring stems for audit and traceability, and recognize approvals and process stems for governance and ownership.
Shared responsibility in simple terms. AWS secures the cloud infrastructure. You secure what you build in the cloud. For AI, your responsibilities include your data, your prompts, the model you choose, your configuration, and how outputs are used.
Governance players around AI. Business and product owners define goals. Security and compliance set rules. Data owners decide which data can be used. Platform and operations teams run and monitor the services. Governance stems often ask who can configure an AI service, who can access which data, who approves high-risk changes, and who reviews logs and incidents.
Use this exam decoder. If the STEM emphasizes who can use it, think access control. If it emphasizes data at rest or in transit, think data protection. If it emphasizes trace and investigation, think logging and monitoring. If it emphasizes policy ownership and review, think approvals and process.
IAM at exam depth is the mental model. Who can do what to which resource? In exam stems, this can reference an AI service such as Bedrock, Language Services, or SageMaker, but the control choice is still about permissions. IAM shows up when only certain departments can use a model, when an assistant must not read every data source, or when an application should use roles with temporary credentials instead of long-lived keys.
Encryption protects data at rest and in transit. For AI workloads, that includes training data, knowledge sources, and stored logs that might contain prompts and outputs. Logging and monitoring support audit, investigation, and improvement. If the STEM says investigate past behavior, pick logging and monitoring. If it says protect stored sensitive data, pick encryption. If it says who changed a setting, think logging plus approvals. Quick reflection. For a retrieval assistant, ask what must be encrypted, what must be logged, and who owns reviewing those logs.
Follow AI Cloud Architect. Build skills. Create options. Lead.